How to log out from Zelle app. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are logged in. Next, tap on the profile icon or menu option, usually located at the top left corner of the screen. Look for settings or account settings and select it. Scroll down the menu until you see the logout option. Tap on it and you may be prompted to confirm your decision. Confirm to log out safely from your Zelle account. If your Zelle account is linked through a banking app, you will need to open that banking app and log out from there to effectively log out of Zelle as well. This ensures your account remains secure across all connected platforms. Logging out ensures that your personal and financial information remains safe, especially if you are using a shared or public device. Remember to log back in using your credentials whenever you want to access your Zelle account again. Now you know how to log out from the Zelle app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.